I request you please subscribe my channel. Currently you can see I have uploaded more video on many video on Raspberry Pi, Arduino, then Python programming, then some webinar, so that it can grow your career. So if you want to learn something from me, it is free, and you have to just click on this subscribe button, and all the video it is very unique, and you will learn definitely many things from me. I uploaded mostly video on Raspberry Pi, mostly video on IoT, then Arduino. There are different types of project I have explained, and each project having the programming part. So please subscribe my channel, please support me, and please enhance your knowledge by watching. Hello friend, in today's session we will learn how we can design and develop a color detection project by using Arduino. So before start this video, I would like to tell you what you will learn in this video. This video may be 30 minutes or 40 minutes video, but in this video you will learn how we can design all this hardware, how we can connect all this hardware to the Arduino. Then we will see the program explanation of this project, and then we will see how to run this project. So at the end of this video, definitely you will design and develop this project by yourself. Okay, before start the next part, I would like to tell you what will be the flow of this project. So flow of this project is like that: when we start the project, then on the LCD it will display our project name, that is color detection project, that is project name. Then after that it will show color not found if it will not detect yellow, green or blue color. So we will sense only yellow, green and blue color. After, if the yellow color place, let's say yellow object color, object with yellow color place in front of this camera, then automatically yellow color show on this LCD. If you place green color object, then green color will show here. If you place blue color object, then blue color show on this LCD. And as soon as if this camera detect the blue color and show the blue color on LCD, then this servo motor will rotate. So only for the blue color this servo motor will rotate. So this is the complete idea behind this project. Now we will see the practical demonstration of this project, then we will see the hardware connection, and then we will see the programming part of this project. Okay, now we will see the practical demonstration of this project. Now I will reset the Arduino. So you can see Arduino is reset. Color detection project name present at the start. Now it will detect some yellow color, because the yellow color it is my ceiling color, so that it will detect yellow color. Now you can see I have the yellow color object in my hand, then I have the green color object also in my hand, and blue color object also in my hand. So first I will place the yellow color object in front of this camera. So you can see yellow color object, you can see yellow color on the LCD, so that is yellow color detected by this camera. Now you can see if I place the green color object, so this is the green color object, so I will remove this. So this is the green color object. Now I will place the green color object in front of this camera. So you can see green color, so you can see green color detected by this LCD, and there is no motion of servo motor. Now you can see this is the blue color object, and I will place blue color object in front of the camera. So you can see blue color object, and servo motor start rotating. So this is the complete idea behind this project. I hope you understand the complete idea behind this project. You can also use the color through your mobile also. Let's say for example this is the green color that I display on the mobile. If I press the mobile in front of this camera, you can see green color. So it will detect any type of color. It will detect the object color also. It will detect the mobile screen color also. So this is the complete working of this project. I hope you understand the complete working of this project. Now we will see the hardware connection of this project, and then we will see the practical, then we will see the programming part of this project. Okay, now first we will connect this LCD board with Arduino. So I have designed this LCD board on the 0 PCB. You can also design this LCD board on the breadboard. How to design this LCD board on the breadboard, I have already explained in my previous video. The video thumbnail you can see on the screen. In that video I have explained how to design this circuit on the breadboard. If you watch that video, then you will easily develop and design this circuit on the breadboard, also on the 0 PCB. So please watch that video if you want to design this circuit on the breadboard. Okay, now if you don't want to design this circuit on the breadboard, if you want ready-made circuit, then you can purchase this type of circuit from Amazon. I will show you the Amazon link on the screen. You can see this is the Amazon board, and from that board you can easily find out whatever the connection I am connecting here. So now we will connect one by one connection. Okay, so first important part on the LCD, this is VCC pin. So you can see this is the VCC pin. So I will connect this VCC pin to Arduino VCC pin. So Arduino VCC pin is here. So I will connect Arduino 5V pin here. So you can see on each Arduino, on the Arduino there is a pin number and pin name also. So first pin is VCC pin from the LCD. So that is the 5V pin. So I will connect this 5V pin to the 5V pin of Arduino. Then after that the ground pin. So this is the ground pin of the LCD. So I will connect this ground pin to the ground pin of Arduino. So you can see this is the ground pin. So in this way we completed the LCD ground and VCC connection with Arduino. Now the next part is LCD RS pin. So this is my LCD RS pin. So LCD RS pin should be connected to 2 number pin of Arduino. So here is the 2 number pin of Arduino. I have connected LCD RS pin. Then next pin is LCD enable pin. So LCD enable pin is this one. So LCD enable pin should be connected to 3 number pin of Arduino. Then after that you can see LCD D4 pin. So LCD D4 pin should be connected to 4 number pin of Arduino. Then LCD D5 pin. LCD D5 pin, this is the LCD D5 pin and it should be connected to 5 number pin of Arduino. Then after that LCD D6 pin. So LCD D6 pin should be connected to 6 number pin of Arduino. Then after that LCD D7 pin. So this is the LCD D7 pin and this should be connected to 7 number pin of Arduino. Okay, so we have connected a ground pin to ground pin, VCC pin to VCC pin, then RS pin to 2 number pin, then enable pin to 3 number pin, then LCD D4 pin to the 4 number, then D5 to 5 number, D6 to 6 number and D7 to 7 number pin of Arduino. So this is the very basics and simple connection of LCD. Okay, now we will see the programming explanation of this project. So before start the programming explanation, it is very important to understand you should require the Proteus software. You should require the Python software in your laptop. So this Python software. So if you don't have the Python 3.9 or Python 3.7 or Python 3.8, please install that software in your laptop. The best version is Python 3.8. You can also use or below Python 3.8. Then after that, second software you require the Arduino Uno software. So how to install this Arduino Uno software in laptop, I have already explained in my previous video. The video name is this one, Proteus simulation of accidental alcohol detection video. The video link given in the description of this. If you don't have the Arduino software, please watch that video and please install that software. Now the next part, you require this program file. So you can see these 2 program file you require. So where you find this program file, you will find this program file in my Google Drive link, and the Google Drive link given in the description of this video at the end. So please go through that Google Drive link and download these 2 program files. So first file is .py file, that is Python file, and second file is this one .ino file, that is the Arduino Uno file. So how to open that file, I will show you. So first we have to type Python in your laptop. So once you type Python, you have to open Python IDLE software in your laptop. Then go to the file and click on open. So once you click on open, just copy the path. Let's say for example you have download this file into this folder. So just copy this path, whatever your path, then again go to here and then paste that path here and press enter. So once you press enter, you will find this .py file. So click on this .py file, click on open, and your Python program will open here. Now how to open the Arduino Uno file. So again, to open the Arduino Uno file, just double click on this Arduino software, then after that go to the file, then click on open. Again paste that path, whatever the path you copy, just paste that path and go to the color detection robot folder, and here you will find Iono file. Click on that Iono file and click on open. So in this way you will open the .py file and .ino file. Okay, now first we will see the .py file explanation. So I will open the Python file here. So you can see there is a import cv2 library, import numpy library, import time, so and import serial. So how to install this cv2 numpy python time library in your laptop, I have already explained in my another video. The video name is face mask detection video. So you can see I will show you the thumbnail also that video. So you can see face mask detection in Raspberry Pi Pro test video. In that video also I use the same CV2 library, then serial library, then NumPy library. So if you want to install this library, if you while running you will get any error like CV2 library not found, NumPy library not found, then you can watch my this video. Then you can watch my face mask detection video, and in that video I will explain how to install that library. If that video also don't have the explanation of CV2 and NumPy, then again there is another video. You can see there are many video on cv2 library on my playlist. So you can open the driver sleep detection video, and each and every video having program installation or how to install library chapter, you will definitely find any video how to install the cv2 and that numpy and serial library. So I hope you understand how to install that library after watching my that video. First line is import cv2, then next line is import numpy. So basically these two lines were used for to detect the color. So we will use cv2 library and numpy library to detect the color. Then next line is import time. So basically if there is a delay, if you require any delay in your code, then you require this time library. Then serial library, basically so serial library it is used to send the data from the Python program to the Arduino hardware. So that's why we use the serial library. So we use the serial communication between your laptop to the Arduino. So that's why we use this import serial library. In your case maybe serial import will not work. In that case you have to install the Pi serial library. You first understand what I am saying. You need to install the Pi serial. So how to install a Pi serial library? Again the same method with the serial. Just replace serial by the Pi serial in your code here only, and then you can use that code as it is. So this is the one way. Next is the serial.serial com5 9c00. So basically we are using the com5. So why this here is com5, I will tell you the reason behind this com5. So whenever you connect your Arduino to your laptop, then you will find the COM port of that Arduino. So how to find the COM port of the Arduino? Just open the Arduino software, then go to the tools and go to the port. Here you can see there is no Arduino port, COM5 port, because I haven't connected Arduino to my laptop. So once I connect Arduino to my laptop, then you will find here COM5 port. Now I will connect Arduino to my laptop. So you can see I have connected the Arduino to my laptop. Then again I go to the tools, then port. You can see there is a COM5 Arduino Uno. So that's why in the Python I have placed here COM5. In your case there will be the COM1, COM2, COM3. Whatever the Arduino port you are using, that port name should be come here, otherwise you will get error. Okay, next line is CV2 video capture 1. So why I have placed 1 here? Because I am using the external USB camera. In your case if you don't have the external USB camera, and if you are using the laptop camera, then instead of 1 you can place 0 here. Okay, please understand this. If you are using the laptop camera, then place 0. If you are using the USB camera, then place 1 here. So this is the one setting. Then after that CRCBCG. So basically this is the color detection code. You can see from this line to this line, all these are color detection code. So whatever the color is detected, we are comparing that color. So let's say for CR, the CR value, we calculate the CR value from this line, like this one, this one, this one. So at the end we get the CR, CB and CG. So this is the value which show it is which is type of the color is which type. So by using the some CV2 option, CV2 operation, we will calculate CR, CB and CG value. So if the CB value is greater than 4000, that means it is a blue color. So we are comparing here, if CB value is greater than 4000, then we have to print it is a blue color on the window, and then we have to write yes write B. So yes write B is nothing but we are sending the B value to the Arduino. So once the Arduino get the B value, then Arduino will print the blue color on the LCD. So that's why we are sending B here. If the CG value is greater than 32,000, then it is green color, and we have to send G to the Arduino. So how to send G to the Arduino? By this line. So once you send the G to the Arduino and Arduino receive the G, then Arduino print green color on the LCD. If the CR is greater than 8,000, that means it is a yellow color, and if there is yellow color, we have to send the Y to the Arduino. So once we send the Y to the Arduino by this line, then at the Arduino side it will detect Y, it will print the yellow on the LCD. So how Arduino programmable, I will tell you. If any color except blue, green and yellow is present, then its else part is execute, and we are sending the N to the Arduino. So once the Arduino get N, then Arduino print on the LCD no color found. So this is the logic behind this program. So it is a very simple logic which detect the code. Very important part from this program, you have to install all this library by watching my previous video. Then you have to change 0 to 1 here, then you have to change the COM port, and then once you run the code, then you will get the color at the screen of the laptop. How we will get, we will see later. Okay, this is the Python code explanation. Now we will see the explanation of hardware code, that is Arduino code. So I will open the Arduino code here. So first line is hash include liquid crystal .h. So whenever you require the LCD in your project, then you require this liquid crystal .h file. Then servo motor, whenever you want to use the servo motor in your project, then you require this .h file. Then character, it is one variable which store the color code value received from the Python code. Then liquid crystal 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically we have connected whatever the pin number we have connected from the LCD to the Arduino. So first pin is RS pin, then enable pin, then D4, D5, D6 and D7. This is the Arduino pin number, and with respect to that LCD pin number we have connected here. So we have to define that hardware connection pin number in the program. So that's why I have defined here. Then you remember that we have connected the servo motor to the 8 number pin of Arduino. That's why we define here 8 number pin of Arduino. Then servo, my servo, it is one object which used to rotate the servo motor. We will use this object later. Then all this variable we will use later, and I will tell you how to use that variable. Now void setup. So void setup is basically first time function which execute only one time. It is basically used to give some like input output, some baud rate selection. So that baud rate selection will be defined here. So first is my servo attached gate. So we are using the 8 number pin. You can see gate, we define 8 number pin, and we have attached servo motor to the 8 number that we define here. Then serial baud rate we are using 9600, that's why we define here. Then LCD we are using 16 by 2, that LCD we are define here. Then we are printing color detection robot on the LCD at the first time, that's why we are printing here. Then my servo dot write 25. So basically at the starting we have to stop the servo motor at this angle. So that's why I am writing the my servo motor 25. So once the servo motor gets 25 value, it will rotate to 25 degree and it will stop here. So at the starting this is the basic initial condition before start the actual program. Now the next part is while loop. So this is the main logic of our code. So this code will be executed infinite number of time. So first line is while serial dot available. So once any object detected, once any signal sent from the Python code to the Arduino, here we are checking we are receive that code or not. So let's say we are receiving B, G or Y value from the Python code to the Arduino. So here we are checking either we are receive that value or not. So once the value receive, we are reading that value by using this line serial dot read, and that value gets stored into this color code variable. Then after that color code we are comparing here with the B. So if the color code is B, that means color is blue. So we are printing the LCD print color blue on the LCD. So that's why this logic is here. Then after that some delay, and then here rotate motor is equal to 0. So only one time you have to rotate the motor. So that reason rotate motor variable first check 0, and then after that rotate motor variable first later set to 1. So next time when the blue color detected continuously, then only one time it will open the motor and it will close the motor. So that's the reason we are using this one. So if we don't use this line, then motor will open and close as soon as the continuously blue variable blue object is detected. So whenever the blue object detected, we have to rotate the motor only one time. So that's why this logic here. Then after that, servo rotate. This is the function which rotate the motor. So this function gets called here, and you can see the motor rotate from the 25 degree to 120 degree, then again 120 degree to 25 degree, and we are writing 25, 26, 27, 28 one by one on the myServo.write function. Then again from the 120 to till 25 we are writing 120, then 119, then 118 on the servo motor, so that it will again reverse back. So that the logic behind this for loop. So okay, so after that, let's say green color object detected, then again this serial read will read the green G value from the Python code. This is stored into this color code. Then after that, color code is equal to G, yes it is G. Then print green color on the LCD, then rotate motor, it's 0 because this time is green. So that's why you have to rotate motor variable should be 0, because once the next time blue color detected, we have to rotate motor again. So that's why we place this rotate motor is equal to 0 here. The same logic, if the color code is Y for the yellow color, then again yellow color detector print on the LCD, rotate motor 0, and if any out of this green, yellow and blue color detected, then else part is execute, and this color not found print on the LCD and rotate motor is 0. So this is the basic and a very easy understanding logic of Arduino code and the Python code. I hope you understand the program explanation. Now we will see how to run this project. Now we will see how to run this project. So very important part, first go to the tools, then go to the board, and here go to the Arduino AVR board and select Arduino here. Then after that, go to the port, and once you connect the Arduino, let's say I have connected Arduino right now. So once I connect Arduino, you can see port, it will detect Arduino 5. So select that one. Then after that, click on this verify button. So once you click on this verify button, compilation start working. If there is no error in your code, it will give the done compilation. So wait for some second. So compilation done. Now you can see you have to download the code. So upload the code by click on this upload button. So once you click on this upload button, the code start upload here. So once the code upload done, you can see done uploading is here. Now go to the Python code here. Now if you are using the USB camera, select one here, then click on this run and run module button. So wait for some second again. So you can see once it start running, it's showing no color found, and then after that you can also see your color, like here you can see blue color is detected because my ceiling color now it is blue, so that's why it is detecting blue continuously. The camera part you can right click and open here, so you will get a box. Now I will place the yellow object. So you can see yellow color is detected. So in this way you can run your project, and that side also servo motor start rotating at my end also. So I hope you understand how to connect the hardware, how to run the program, and in this way you can run your project successfully. Thanks for watching this video.